बढ़ना है, बढ़ना है। गाना याद आ गया ये। हिंद के बहादुर है सब लोग, ये 5 15 लोग, 15 लोग है ना, 14 लोग।
हाँ,
उसमें कैप्टन आप हो।
अरे आप कैप्टन है भाई। चला। Importance of minerals for the human body. 99% of calcium is found in bones and teeth. It is also necessary for transport of and into or out of cells. Sources abundant in milk, methi, drumsticks, leafy vegetables, beetroot, figs, grapes, watermelon, millets, sesame, black grapes, fish and oysters. Phosphorus, about 80% is present in the bones and teeth. It is an important constituent of every cell. It regulates the pH of the blood. pH सबको मालूम है, potential hydrogen, which is 7.5, alkaline and acidic and alkaline, and is necessary for the formation of bones. Sources: milk, cheese, yeast, dry fruits, soybeans, dates, carrots, and guava, and is also present in eggs, fish, and meat. Potassium. It is an important constituent of the cellular fluid. It is required for the metabolism of carbohydrates, dates, and proteins. Sources are fresh fruit, milk, garlic, radish, potatoes, and meat. Sodium. Important constituent in the cellular fluid. 30% to 40% sodium is present in the bones. Source: common salt, beetroot, carrots, radish, eggs, meat, and fish. Iron. Nearly 70% of the iron in the body is present in hemoglobin. In RBC, 26% is stored in the liver, spleen, and bones. Anemia is the principal symptom of iron deficiency. Source: methi, mint, and other green leafy vegetables. Millets, grams, green grams, black grams, soya beans, dates, mangoes, eggs, etc. Sulfur. It is the constituent of proteins and some vitamins. It is also required for metabolic process. Beetroot, cabbage, radish, garlic, onions, milk, meat, and cauliflower. Magnesium. Nearly 50% is found in the bones and 50% in cells. Deficiency of magnesium affects the bones, teeth, and muscles, and they become weak. Source: milk, cereals, green vegetables, dry fruits, and meat. The chlorine. This element is in association with the sodium. आपको मालूम है क्या है करके? Sodium chloride, NaCl, is one of the main constituents of extracellular fluids. Source: common salt. Salt अपने milk, carrots, spinach, cabbage, tomatoes, bananas, dates, etc. Common salt जो अभी जो iodized salt मिलता है टाटास का, that is not good for the health. They say common salt जो अपन खड़ा हुआ पड़ता है, even for jal niti they say that the khada, the black salt has to be used, not the iodized salt. Iodine, this is a constituent of the secretion of the thyroid gland. Source: this is present in the green vegetables and seafoods. Fiber, this is a celebrity of the nutrition world. There are two types of fiber: soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substances in the digestive tract that appears to bind the cholesterol so it cannot be reabsorbed. Insoluble fiber is sometimes called nature's broom because it decreases the transit time in the intestine and keeps it swept clean. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, unrefined grains, and legumes. Now, what is nutrition we have seen? What are nutrients we have seen? Now, what is malnutrition? Malnutrition refers to deficiencies, excesses, or imbalances in a person's intake of energy and or nutrients. The term malnutrition addresses three broad groups of conditions. Undernutrition, which includes wasting, low weight for height, stunting, and underweight. Micronutrients related to malnutrition, which includes micronutrient deficiencies or micronutrient excesses. And third, overweight, obesity, and diet-related non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and some cancers. Overweight and obesity result from an imbalance between energy consumed and energy expended. Globally, people are consuming foods and drinks that are more energy dense and engaging in less physical activity. अभी जो मेन चार्ट है आपको देखिए, सीरियल्स rice and pasta, carbohydrates, vegetables, then fruits, milk, yogurt, and cheese. As you go up, the quantity goes on decreasing. When it comes to the proteins, are compared very less as compared to carbohydrates. Meat, poultry, fish, dry meats, eggs, and the yellow bread. Yellow में क्या है? Bread, cereals, rice and pasta. Green में क्या है? Vegetables. Orange में क्या है? Fruits. Blue में क्या है? Here milk and yogurt, cheese. Red में क्या है? Meat, poultry, eggs, dry means eggs and nut grapes. Gray में क्या है? Here fish, oils and sweets. Here it consumes proteins. The proteins are required to the minimum. Method what? Dietary diversity. It is a measure of the number of food groups consumed over a reference period, usually 24 hours. Generally, there are 6 food groups that our body needs to have every day, as shown in the adjoining slide. Starting from cereal, rice, and this much, everything we require. It is not necessary for a vegetarian person to have fish and meat. No, that can be substituted by other vegetable products which are there. Assessment of nutrition status. Abhi, how will you determine the status? The base or the widest part of the pyramid indicates the need for the higher quantity of consumption of carbohydrates as seen above. Okay. While the tip is narrow, indicating the need for eating only small amount of fats and sweet things. If a person consumes any example of the food type from each of the 6 groups in 24 hours, we can say that the dietary diversity source score is 6. In moderate quantity as per the triangular requirement. That इसका score, dietary diversity score is an indicator of both the balance of nutrient consumption and the level of the food security or the insecurity in the household. The higher the dietary diversity score in a family, the more diversified and balanced the diet and the more food secure is the household. Testing of edema, that is excess fluid collected in the tissues of the child. One should apply normal thumb pressure on both the feet for 3 seconds. Count the number 100, 100 in order to estimate 3 seconds without using a watch. If a shallow print persists on both the feet, then the child has a nutritional edema or pitting edema. This is a show of malnutrition or nutrition deficiency. Method 3 is Whittier spot. These are the signs of vitamin A deficiency. These spots are creamy color and appear on the white of the either of the eye. Method 4, goiter. Goiter is a swelling on the neck, here on the right or the left, and is only a visible sign of iron deficiency. Visible severe wasting. Method 5. Children younger than 6 months will need to ask the mother to remove all the child's clothing so you can look at the arms, thighs, and buttocks for loss of muscle bulk. Sagging skin and buttocks indicates visible severe wasting. The clinical signs seen are anemia, may be due to the deficiency of iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, acid, copper, or protein. अब देख रहे हैं malnutrition का एक example how the child is. Now, knowledge of therapeutic modification of normal diet. Now, normal diet may be modified, changes in the food consistency and texture, flavor, energy value, nutrition value, increasing or decreasing or eliminating the certain foods, altering the number of meals. The purpose of diet modified to maintain or restrict the good nutrition status, to correct nutrition deficiency present, to afford rest to a particular part of the body that may have been affected by illness or surgery, to adjust the diet based on the ability of the patient to metabolize the nutrients, to treat or prevent the edema, swelling caused by the excess fluid in the tissue, to eliminate the offending food substances. Therapeutic modification of the natural diet. All allows all types of food, well-balanced diet. Indications are that it is a state when a person's health or medical condition does not require any food restrictions. ऑलवेज आपने देखा रहेगा फूड, योर फूड शुड ऑलवेज इंक्लूड द सैलड्स. Salads should form a part of the food. Like that, soup also should form a part of the food. Vegetarian soup or non-veg soup, as the case may be, soup also forms a part of the food. It gives a good appetizer. So it gives a good appetizer for the food which we take. Now comes the very important which we have, arthritis. काल में change केलं म्हणजे सर arthritis, pain and anti-inflammatory foods. पहला आता है apple, then cherries, papaya. एवोकाडोस म्हणजे काय मला कळलं नाही. एनी आयडिया? लेडीज प्लीज पॉइंट आउट.
हा सर, एक फ्रूट असतं,
हा
खूप हेल्दी फ्रूट आहे ते. फॅट्स पण चांगल्या प्रमाणात असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. आणि त्याच्यात vitamins-
काय म्हणतात आपण
इकडे बाहेर मिळतं ते.
हा
US UK ला तर मिळतं, इथं पण मिळतं वाटतं.
अच्छा,
इथे मिळतं सर, पण येतं तिकडनंच.
ॲवोकाडो,
गार्लिक, पाइनएप्पल, सिनेमन पेपर, जिंजर, टर्मरिक. मैं आर्थराइटिस के बाद में आफ्टर द रिकॉर्डिंग का मैं बात करूंगा बहुत. देन कम्स अ डायबिटिक चार्ट. डायबिटीज डाइट. टोटल कंजम्पशन इज 1600 कॅलरीज. सकाळी 9 वाजता हे घेतलं पाहिजे. 11 वाजता दिस आर आय थिंक स्प्राउट्स आहे स्प्राउट्स. 1 वाजता फ्रूट्स आहे काही मला दिसतंय. 4 वाजता दिस वन and 8 वाजता appears चपाती और दिस वन. ओके ना किती द कंजम्पशन फॅट यू विल सी खालचा चार्ट जो आहे तो ओबेसिटी करता है. डायबिटीज आणि ओबेसिटी चार्ट में बघा किती फरक पाहिजे. फॉर अ डायबिटिक पर्सन किती पाहिजे? फॅट कंटेंट 15 ग्रॅम्स, कॅल्शियम इंटेक 600 मिलीग्रॅम्स, 1000 मिलीग्रॅम्स सोडियम, 250 ग्रॅम्स कार्बोहायड्रेट्स. सगळ्यात जास्त हे आहे कॅल्शियम इंटेक आहे. दॅट विल बी अवेलेबल इन द ग्रीन लिफी व्हेजिटेबल जास्ती. आयर्न, proteins 40 to 45 grams. This requirement is very much when you go for the therapy treatment. Patients not treat करण्याच्या diabetes है. This should be kept in the mind. And always sweetness जे आहे, but the sweetness of beetroot is acceptable for diabetic patient. Calcium available plenty in the green leafy vegetables, all leafy vegetables. आता तुम्ही वरचे कंपेअर करा. तुम्ही खाली आता ओबेसिटी चार्ट येते, ओबेसिटी डाएट चार्ट. आता ओबेसिटी त्यांनी हे पण एग सांगितलं सकाळी 11 वाजता दिस वन पपैया. 1 वाजता दिस वन सूप at 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock other things. ओके, इकडे बघा टोटल फॅट कंजम्पशन इज 22 ग्रॅम्स, whereas डायबिटिक में 15 ग्राम है. कैल्शियम 600 milligrams, here only 600 milligrams. सोडियम 1000, इकडे पण 1000 आहे. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स 280 grams, whereas here it is 250 grams. The carbohydrate contents are more, 30 grams here. Protein 70 grams इकडे आहे. वरती डायबिटीज होती 45 grams. So protein is also equal. So protein and याच्यावरती जास्ती हे केलेलं आहे. Then what about iron? Iron diabetes करता 17 grams है, whereas here it is required 17 grams. So both are same. So जास्ती फरक इकडे पडलेला प्रोटीन्स आणि कार्बोहायड्रेट. But total content should be, the calories wise is 1600 ml. Yoga teachers, please try to understand that the burning of the calories are very much important. Walking and jogging will burn the calories faster. Yoga में the calorie burning is very less, but the internal functioning level increases. Though the calorie, the functioning level of the organs increases by yoga. हा प्रिन्सिपल लक्षात ठेवला पाहिजे. आणि त्या मृत्युंजय राठोडचं ब्युटिफुल एक्सप्लेनेशन्स आहे. पीपल शुड अटेंड दॅट एनाटॉमी. मी 2-3 अटेंड केलं, पण आय लाईक इट व्हेरी मच. प्रत्येक आसनावरती कसं कसं त्यावरती रिॲक्शन होतं ते दाखवलेलं आहे. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू फॉर ओबीस पर्सनला काय फूड टू ईट अँड व्हॉट टू अवॉइड. पास्ता, ब्रेड, rice to be avoided, corn, dried beans and legumes, cow's milk, any added sweetener, sugar, honey, agave, etc. Food to eat is fish, seafood, eggs, poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, pork, lean red meats, cheese, plain yogurt and cottage, vegetable oils, vegetables grown above, olives, carrots, avocado, berries. If a person is vegetarian, but how can he eat fish and seafood, eggs? Not necessarily. In meat पण सांगितलं आहे, lean red meats. Red meats will increase the fat, na? You agree with me, Vijay? Red meat. आता foods to eat म्हणून सांगितलं आहे, not
That
eat.
is one. That is a red meat is one type of fish meat. I think so. Huh? I am
नाही
not.
सर
नाही
मटन
sir.
मटन दॅट इज मटन
इकडे-
मीन्स रेड मीट.
सर इकडे लीन म्हटलंय ना, लीन म्हणजे पतला जानवर होना चाहिए बस.
अच्छा.
मटन आहे का ते?
लीन मतलब उसमें फैट कम होगा, दिखने में सिंगल पसली बोलते हैं ना वैसा रहेगा, इतना सिंगल
but
पसली नहीं.
ओके
But,
ओके नो
पतला
प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम. बात सुनो, ये ठीक है लेकिन ये किसने लिखा है? हु टोल्ड दिस? ये अगर फॉरेन कंट्री के आदमी का अगर कंटेंट है तो वी कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट दिस. ओके, वी आर लिविंग इन इंडिया. सो अब अगर आप ये डालते हो तो ये वहां के वातावरण में रहने वाला वो है. आपने अगर उधर से उठा के इधर चिपकाया है तो वी कांट डू दैट.
We can do. बरोबर आहे.
वी शुड नो दॅट्स ऑल. मतलब वी कॅन डू दॅट. बरोबर आहे, आपल्याला माहिती असलं तर बरं आहे तेवढं.
Perhaps एक
त्यानंतर
Google
मग
मध्ये
काय पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू.
कशाबद्दल माहिती?
संजयच्या परत गुगल
मटन हे आजा आणि आजा सांगितलेलंच नाहीये हटप्रतिपिकेने. अगर वी आर फॉलोइंग द स्क्रिप्चर्स तो इट इज नॉट, वी शुड डू नॉट नो द थिंग्स. ठीक आहे.
असं नाही, मी म्हणतोय आपल्याकडे जे पेशंट येतात ना, हॅलो, जे पेशंट येतात ना ते आधीच योगिक डाएट करून आलेले नसतात. ते काय खातात माहिती पाहिजे आणि त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज माहिती पाहिजेत की आणि दुष्परिणाम काय होतात ते माहिती असणं काही गैर नाहीये असं मला वाटतं.
ठीक आहे हरकत आहे. ते तुमच्या लेवलला तुम्ही बघून घ्या, हरकत. चलो ओके आगे बढ़ते हैं.
अच्छा ये चार्ट ठेवायचा का डिलीट करायचा आहे चार्ट?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है अभी सर को लगता है कि ये मालूम होना चाहिए. सर हालांकि खाते नहीं है लेकिन उनको मालूम होना चाहिए, उनका कहना है तो ठीक है.
This is against for the obese person ना, obese person.
दिस अगेंस्ट फॉर आइडियोलॉजी. सो आई एम
Yes.
सेइंग
हाँ.
मेरी आइडियोलॉजी के खिलाफ है ये.
When we are talking about scriptures, when we are talking about Jainism, Buddhism, everything, आणि हा जो आहे that was for obese person recommended. मला वाटतंय चार्ट काढून टाकलं पाहिजे. I feel so.
मेनन सर, दिस इज जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन. ठेवायचं की नाही ते ठरवा तुम्ही. ही माहिती आहे फक्त लोकांना द्यायची की नाही ते आपण, किंवा आपल्याला माहिती असावं की नाही आपणच ठरवू शकतो. येस,
हा ते ठीक आहे ना. हा. The role of yogic diet in health and disease. 7 types of yogic diet for health and disease. Early morning alkaline start. Due to the buildup of toxins and acids in our body, a lemon water with a pinch of salt or an empty stomach is very dear to yoga. It is extremely alkaline, detoxifies and wakes up all the organs much better than the coffee does. Sattvic eating. Food is divided into Rajasic, Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Sattvic diet is one that leads to clarity of mind and physical health. Sattvic is plant-based, light, extremely alkaline and eco-friendly, like fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, nuts and grains. Rajasic is more stimulating, heat-producing, rich and acidic, which includes meat, eggs, pickles, tea and coffee. Tamasic diet leads to dullness and lethargy. It's acidic, putrid and reheated. It includes alcohol, sugary foods and beverages. Hence, yogis should necessarily follow the sattvic way of eating. Everything in yoga is related to prana. Food which has prana gives us physical and emotional strength. Raw food, as intended by nature, gives us all the vitamins and minerals, and in the most bioavailable form. The method of sprouting is given to top importance as it's one of the best ways to consume the functional live enzymes. Enzymes play a vital role in digestion and fighting the disease. Enzymes are present in the digestive tract in the abdomen, which digestifies the fast food or the food which is taken inside. Fasting, yoga believes that accumulation of toxins breeds the disease. Wrong eating habits, exposure to chemicals, buildup of negative emotions lead to an imbalance of the mind and body. Fasting is one of the most common practices that can counterbalances this. There are various ways of fasting: water fast, fruit fast, giving up 1 or 2 meals in a day, The main reasoning behind this is to give our digestive system a break. Under Yoga Niketan, the Durgadas Sawant has done the fasting for 21 days continuously on a plain water only. त्या दिवस इंट्रोडक्शन सांगायला विसरलो विजय सर. दुर्गादास सावंत 21 दिवसाचं फास्टिंग केलेलं आहे. येस, भयंकर स्टॅमिना आहे त्यांचा. Moderate food. This term in yoga is called mitahara, which means moderate eating, leaving 1/4 of the stomach reserved for the movement of the air. This eating style is easy on the digestion and in quantities that can keep this body and mind clear and light. Good fats. Yogic nutrition is incomplete without ghee, coconut oil, and soaked nuts. They make food appetizing, digestible, and satisfying. They help in healing the mind too. The presence of the fats in the body improves the memory, neural conductivity, and mental well-being. Tea or coffees or concoction of intensity flavor and power-packed herbs like turmeric, ginger, coriander, pepper, cinnamon, and cardamom are the go-to beverages for yogis. They are anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and detoxifying in nature. Yoga also encourages use of adaptogens like ashwagandha and triphala. They are known to lower the stress, stimulate the thyroid function, and protect against oxidative stress. Triphala, तुम्ही Triphala Churna ऐकलं असेल. Triphala Churna is a very good digestive dish. This is a website by Luke Mania MD Alternative Medicines. Taken out from that. Thank you. That is it.